Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight blank cells in Excel. Highlighting blank cells in Excel helps quickly identifying missing data, ensuring accuracy and completeness in your spreadsheets. So let's start the video. First, open up your Microsoft Excel worksheet and select the range of cells where you want to highlight the blanks, or click on the triangle in the top left corner to select the entire worksheet. Now click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, and then in the Styles group click on Conditional Formatting. From the Conditional Formatting menu, select New Rule. This will open up the New Formatting Rule dialog box. In Select a Rule Type, select Format Only Cells that contain, and in Format Only Cells with, select Blanks from the drop-down menu. Now click on the Format button and then click on the Fill tab, and now choose the highlight color. We are going to select the green color. Click OK and then click OK again to close the dialog box. And there you have it, all the blank cells in the selected range are now highlighted. This makes it super easy to spot any missing data at a glance. So that's how to highlight blank cells in Excel. Thanks for watching.